Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review the Samsung Flow app. Samsung Flow is a seamless connectivity app designed to keep all your Samsung devices working together effortlessly. It lets you share files instantly, mirror your phone screen to your PC or tablet, sync notifications, and continue tasks across devices without interruption. With secure login options like biometrics and easy device pairing, Samsung Flow creates a smooth, efficient, and connected experience for users who want their phone, tablet, and Windows PC to work as one. Let's see its features. Samsung Flow allows you to sync all your phone notifications directly to your PC, making it easy to stay updated without switching devices. You can also mirror your phone screen on your computer for full access to apps and content. The app supports fast file transfers between devices and even lets you unlock your PC using your phone for added convenience and security. Let's see its pricing. Samsung Flow is completely free to use with no subscription or hidden charges. Now we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Samsung Flow offers smooth Samsung to Windows connectivity, easy file sharing and screen mirroring, and secure PC unlocking with your fingerprint. On the downside, it only works with Samsung phones and the connection can drop at times, and some users report clipboard or tapping lag. Now we will see its customer feedback. Users like the mirroring feature and fast notifications, but there are complaints about unstable connections. Overall, the app receives mixed reviews. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.